Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It is Sunday, June 8th, 2025. For the weekly outlook and euro dollar, it's 2:36 p.m. Got the euro dollar weekly chart up right here. And what we're looking at right now is in order for the euro dollar this week actually to start trying to gradually go a little bit higher, I'm going to put a break and close on a daily basis up above 115, say 10, 115.05. Right behind that for the weekly, we got resistance at 116.26. It has to hold really this week in order to show any type of strength. I'm going to move this up right here to continue saying that it's in like a kind of neutral to bullish. It needs to hold 111, say 70. All right, so we got resistance at 116.21 coming into the week. If somehow something happens where the euro can actually muster up enough power to break above 116.22, the next resistance level we have is 117.28. 117.28. Let's get that up there. 117. Close enough. 117.25. So these are the weekly points. In order for the euro to show some strength, as I said, it's got to come up through this level here. It's got to hold it, and then it could pound up to 116, say 25. It would need to come back down and be able to hold the 115.09 in order for it to keep its upward trajectory to the 117.25. Now, support points for this thing. Let's look at some support. Let me pull out some sheets and check out support. All right, as it stands right now, there's support at 111. 111. Where is it? 111, 111.40, 111.40. So let me come down. So it's 111.72 is the main level it has to hold. Underneath it is 111. Oh shoot, 111.22. Where the heck is it? 111, right there. 111. All right, we'll go like 111.18. That's close enough. So here are the points. All right, so if it does break this, it needs to. This is like the critical level because I'm looking at a weekly chart, right? So if I'm using 3-bar harmony, the week's going to open. It goes 1, 2, 3. That's the lower point that it has to hold. Just using 3-bar harmony. In order to show strength, it needs to get up and sustain above 115. Say 15-ish, something like that. And then there's other resistance at 116, say 21, and 117.25. Now, if it breaks that, like 117, we're looking back going up to like the 2016 area of the euro dollar. We haven't seen these prices at 119 or 120 since 2017, I think it was. So is the euro dollar actually tracking and following 2017's model? If it is, then it's going higher. But I'm really not, a euro dollar like per se straight up bull guy. I think that really this week it's and you got to look at my daily analysis. I think it's actually tracking between, and I'll give you a better point. I'd say it's tracking between 113 and 115.09. That's what I think it's happening right now in the euro. I'm going to go to that close on this bar in the midst of all this and say that this is potentially where it's tracking right now. If it can't get up above this and it breaks this, then we're heading down towards that, say 112, 113 the figure, and then it's opening its way up weekly to 111.67. It's all going to depend. I'm telling you, it's all going to depend on good old dollar yen. Dollar yen is the driver in this thing. Even if we looked at the U.S. dollar index, it's the one that's actually driving euro dollar and sterling dollar itself. kind of been kind of stable. So I'm going to point you to come over to my daily analysis. Make sure you check that out. I'll have that out, you know, Monday around, I would think, 10 o'clock a.m. And I'll give an update there, what the key points are on the day. But just looking at this market, if I go over to the daily right now, let's go over to the daily, see what's happening on the daily. All right, these are the big points. Oops, I don't need that arrow. Let's go over here. We made the high of 115, the figure. All right, so where we close at? We came down to 113.71. I would think, and this is probably going to be a point for tomorrow. I think that's got to get over 114. I'm going to go up to this close probably. 114.44. This is a daily point now. You know, that would be important for the euro dollar to get to turn from this, because right now it's actually tracking a little bit lower to the 113, say 04 level. We are only about, you know, 65 points away from it. It's not a major thing, but that's an important price, as I put up on the weekly. So that's what I got going on for you guys in the euro dollar coming up. Again, make sure that you check my daily video out. Well, I'll give some real important points. I do believe that that's a good point from going to the Asia market tonight. And you know, Asia doesn't really trade too much in the euro. You know, they do more in the euro yen and because of dollar yen. But that's what I got going on. Make sure you head over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to build a big trading community, and I can't do it without you. So share my videos. Cheers.